Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, this video is about how to download, KCET scorecard as results are going to be out soon. So this is the step-by-step process which I am going to give, and candidates are basically advised to keep their registration number handy. So that is very much required for downloading your KCET scorecard 2024. So let's see the step-by-step process. So first step is basically you have to go to cetonline.karnataka.gov.in/KEA, which is the official portal of Karnataka Examination Authority, KEA portal, right? That is the only place. Second, then on the screen home page itself, you will be able to see the link which will be labeled as KCET results 2024. So that is very important. And once you click there, it will take you to this link, right, which is https://carresults.nic.in, where the results are basically coming out, right? And it will then show you this screen where Karnataka Examination Authority CET results 2024, it will mention. And the bottom you see enter registration number. So you will have to put your registration number as application number which you have got. The second thing will be enter first 4 characters of your name. So let me explain. For example, your name is C.S. Lahiri. Your surname is Lahiri and the first initials are CS. Then you should enter the first 4 characters. So it will be CSLA. Hope you understood. Let me take another example. If your name is TUK Sai Pranathi, so you can see this is very big name, but you have to take only the first 4. So it will be TUKS, that you have to enter in the second input screen, right? And this is one more example, which if your name is HD Anita, then again it will become and HDAN. If your name is K Nandita, it will become KNAN. So these are many examples I have shown, and then you have to enter the submit. So best of luck to you, and I will show you once you submit it where it will take you. So this will be the sample on your screen. It will talk about your name, it will talk about your CET number which you entered. Then it will talk about your many rankings. For example, this student has engineering ranking of 13,305, and then at the bottom you will see other rankings if you have applied for other courses. So SISMH ranking 6,682, agriculture BSc ranking 8,167, veterinary ranking 5,625, and so on. So if you have applied for many courses, it will show you all the rankings. And apart from that, it will also show your marks. So on the right side, it will show you your marks. So there are 2 type of marks. QE means qualifying criteria, right, which is your class 12th marks which you have entered. So PCMB, the student, you can see all his class 12th marks, but the actual CET marks is out of 60, which was in the previous year and sample. So you can see student has got 28, 45, 25 and 38. So according to your course, it would have considered and given you the ranking. So that is the important step. So you have done submit, you got the screen. Now the last step is you have to basically save and print the result, right? So you can download it as a PDF or any other format, or you can directly take in your printer also for future reference. So this scorecard is required for you attending the counseling process, and this is compulsory document. That's all I have to cover. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.